welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, welcome. My name is Blanca. I post fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. So for today's video, I wanted to go ahead and try some new products. I ran out of my Not Your Mother's Curl Talk hair gel, so I was like, let me try some new products and see what's good. So I decided to pick up the Marc Anthony's True Professional Strictly Curls, and this is their curl cream. And I also picked up the Aussie Miracle Curls Mousse, and I picked up the Miracle Curls Curl Refresher. I wanted to get everything from this line, but their curl cream was out of stock, so that's why I went for this one. So I did use this products 2 more times before getting on here today and using them in front of you guys. So when I first applied these products, I went in with my leave-in conditioner, which is this one. I'm still using the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk one. And then after that, I went in with the Marc Anthony's Curl Cream. Then I went ahead and sealed that with some mousse. So that is what my hair looked like after that. You guys can see what it looked like. It looked good, but I felt like it didn't have a lot of volume. I felt like it was just more so defined, but not volume. And I just kind of felt like the cast wasn't easy to take off. I wasn't sure why. So the first day I used these products, I was not feeling it. The second time, my hair looked better. I used a little bit less of this, and my hair still felt a little way down though. I decided to do half of my hair with this one and half of my hair with this one. So I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. It's really hard for me to tell. I feel like you guys have to tell me if you can tell or not. I'm kind of leaning toward this one looks better, but yeah, so pretty much that's what I'm going to be doing today, is applying those products, showing you guys, you know, how I style them into my hair, and then just giving you guys my final opinion. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like. This is like my 3rd day hair. I didn't do anything on the 2nd day, and then today is my 3rd day with it. And as you can tell, don't have a lot of definition in some of my hair pieces. Some of them do have definition, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a cold wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it with just water and conditioner. All right, so I went ahead and cold washed my hair, and I actually ended up using this as my conditioner because this is a 2-in-1. It is a leave-in conditioner as well as just a conditioner. Washed it out of my hair for the most part because I do want to apply it onto my hair so that I can detangle my hair. I'm gonna be applying this a few pumps, maybe like that much. I'm just gonna apply this to my full hair, just work it through my hair. So I did leave, I feel like I left my roots maybe like 80% dry. They're not completely wet, but that's because I find if I do that, I'm able to diffuse it a lot quicker. So I only didn't like fully get water on my scalp like right at the roots, but everything else is like soaking wet. Detangle it using my wet brush. I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair in half so we can apply the first products. So I already went ahead and applied the leave-in conditioner like you guys saw. Now I'm gonna apply some of this. Once I apply that product, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Demon brush. This is how I do it. Bring it around. Make sure your hair is nice and wet and already detangled before you do this part. So I guess I can do a few smaller sections. So just bring it around. Once I go over it with the Demon brush, I'm gonna scrunch. Now I'm gonna bring the rest of the hair down. And I'm gonna do the same. Apply this product. Let me clip this hair. I'm gonna apply this Strictly Curls. That much. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with my Demon brush and define some of these hairs. I'll do smaller sections once I get to the top, just so maybe we can try and get a little bit more volume. Okay, so the other product I wanted to try, and I'm just gonna apply it to my full hair, and I tried this yesterday. It didn't leave my hair feeling way down or anything like that, but that is a Miracle Curls Curl Refresher. I thought this was to refresh your hair. When I read the back, it says to apply to clean, damp hair. That doesn't sound like it's for refreshing. I do this side. I'll bring half of it to the top. And to be fair, this side I feel like got a little dry, so I'm gonna add some water because you want to make sure your hair is really wet. when you're styling it. On this side, I'm gonna go in with my usual curling cream. Take about that much. And just run it through my hair all the way to the tips. Go in with the Denman brush and just brush it through. Curving it slightly. Alright, so I'm taking some more of that curl cream. Just let down. Alright, so now that I applied that, just go back in with the Denman brush. Smaller sections at the top. Now I'm also going to apply a little bit of that spray all the way to the roots and scrunch it. Alright, so the last step is to apply the mousse, and I'm just going to apply this to my whole head because I don't think it's a mousse that was giving me that issue. I'm going to do a little bit more. Ahead and scrunch that in, and now I'm going to diffuse my hair. The method I do though when I'm diffusing my hair is I dry my roots first for about 5 to 10 minutes, then I go all around my whole hair and make sure that I have a nice cast, and then once my hair feels like dry to touch just on the outside, but I obviously can still feel it's wet, then I go and diffuse it upwards with my head upside down. I also like to bring my head back up. That's just kind of like the method. Okay, so I went ahead and diffused my hair. I don't know if I can tell the difference between the two. Usually what I do after this is scrunch out the cast. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I don't know, I think it looks really good on both sides. I really thought that product was making my hair really weighed down, but today I focused on using a lot less, and I do think it helped. Actually, now that I'm like running my fingers through my hair, I feel more product on this side. That is my hair all done. This is what it looks like in the back. I guess we'll see if it looks different once you see the footage. You guys tell me, do you guys think any of these sides look better? I think maybe I finally figured out how to properly use the products, but I don't really like products that you have to be super careful like that, so I probably wouldn't repurchase this, but I'm gonna get the use out of it while I have it just because my hair doesn't look horrible. I went into doing my hair today not with the best opinion of this product, but I think I was using way too much because today that I just used a smaller amount, I don't know, I don't hate my hair. I think it looks really good. I do really like the mousse. I can tell that it gives my hair a really good cast and hold. This is great. And I guess I just really like this curl cream. It works good with my other routine. It worked just as good today too. And then this refresher was the first time I used it, and my hair looked best than it did the whole week. I just pretty much wanted to hang out, try out some new products with you guys. I wanted to do like a week of hairstyles, like bringing you through my wash day all the way through the week. But I'm not gonna lie, this week was really rough. I just felt super down. My husband will be coming home in 2 days, and it's been 8 weeks, you guys. It's been such a long time, so I'm like right at the end where I feel like I'm almost there, but I'm just exhausted. And this week was just really rough mentally. As a mom, it was just rough, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed this curly hair video. I have many more coming, so if you do like curly girl content, make sure to subscribe down below. If you guys have any videos you want me to do or any specific products that you've seen and you want to try but don't want to try it yourself, leave it down below. I will go buy it, I will try it, and I will let you guys know the tea. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a big old thumbs up down below. It really helps me out. Subscribe to my channel down below so you won't miss any of my uploads, and I'll go ahead and catch you guys in my next video. Bye!